Do you want to go for a drive? Well, that was deeper than I thought it was going to be. We need a windshield. I have it on the front of my head, and somehow I even got it in the back of my hair.
Same for me.
I think we need front and back windshield.
I think same for me.
You saw in the intro, we need a windshield, don't we? Not just a front windshield, but a back windshield. So let's go ahead and go get cleaned up.
Our face is all muddy. It looks like poo-poo.
We have vents. Really recommend getting a vented windshield. One, it looks really cool, but you get a little bit of extra air when you want it, and you can shut it when you don't need it. Now, you may have seen the video that we have on the U-Force 800XL. Got the exact same windshield. Had it for probably a year, and I loved it. Then we've got here our Velcro straps. Some people struggle with these. I'll show you a really easy way to put them on. Okay, so now it's time to install our vents. And so the open area on this front part will be down because your air is going to come up and through. On the other side, your little latch will be up. And so the way this works, you just push it, and now you've got air. When you want to close it, you just pop it back in there. So nothing too fancy or crazy there. It's just a simple in and out. So how do you do this strap? First, we peel back enough of our plastic. No, I'm still not taking it all the way off. Just so we can get it on there. Go ahead and undo it. The way these work is they will just go through this little section here, loop around back through, and Velcro. So go ahead, make your loop, but over here on the side, that's where we're going to feed it through our little metal bracket here. Get it pretty far down. Let's go ahead, get it on the Velcro. Now it's just simply twist it and pop it into our little hole. And pull it through, there it goes. Now you can just unvelcro it, tighten it down, and slap it on. It's that easy. I'll show you again. I've seen so many people struggle for 30 minutes and complain about these. It's really not hard. So, let's go ahead, feed our Velcro through, over to the side, to right through our loop. We're going to pull it through enough so that we can put the Velcro on it. Now we'll just rotate it, work it till we get our little thing through there, just like that. On Velcro it from the back, pull it tight, and strap it on.